Welcome to this demonstration of the fundamentals of installing VersaCross fill. Our installation begins with the prepared cooling tower. The original fill material and supports, which are no longer serviceable, have been removed. We lay out the components of the VersaCross installation kit. We've put them together in a staging area from which the actual installation will be made. This is the fill for a 12-foot-long air inlet cooling tower with 160 inches of fill height, a 12-foot double stack unit. First we'll install the end support hangers. Simple self-tapping screw fasteners are used. Notice the keyway cutout, provided to lock the fill supports in place. One end support hanger goes on each end wall. Next we install the intermediate fill supports. An 8-foot-long air inlet tower requires only one intermediate fill support, while 2 or 3 supports will be found in larger towers. Next we add the hanger clips to the intermediate supports. We'll use 3 fill supports, so there are 3 hanger clips. The clips have been only loosely fastened at this stage to facilitate the next step. Next, we'll install the fill support tubes. Notice that the assembly consists of 2 nested telescoping tubes of differing diameters. As the installation progresses, the inner tube will telescope out to engage the hole and the keyway cutout in the end support. Now, we pull out one side of the telescoping pipe supports before we begin to install the fill. This shows the locking mechanism. A typical installation will require about 45 minutes to an hour up to this point. Now we're ready to begin the actual installation of the fill material. It's convenient to handle about 10 to 15 sheets of fill material at a time. The quantity may vary due to existing site conditions, such as the height of the lift and general tower accessibility. We continue the process. In each case, we'll build up a cluster of nested sheets, which will expand to take up 3 to 5 feet in the finished installation. Each sheet is fabricated with holes to accommodate the fill support tubes. Here we see the equivalent of 4 feet of expanded fill in its nested form. In a 12-foot cooling tower, there will be 3 such sections, which will be separated or unnested to expand across the full face of the cooling tower. The final step before we begin to separate the fill is to extend and lock the telescoping fill supports. Here we see the unnesting process. Notice how easy it is to separate the fill sheets. This demonstrates how easy it is to slide the fill on the tubes. We're separating or unnesting the fill sheets at this point. This operation typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes per bay. Here is the final result. And those are some of the fundamentals of installing VersaCross fill.